Hey guys, Elston Gamer here, and we're welcome to a vlog, sort of. Well, if you guessed it, I'm walking my dog again, right there, with my sister, and this time we brought the poop scoop. So then, cause the last time he pooped and we didn't have this. Or a plastic bag, so we had to go back home, let the dog, tie him back up, then grab the poop scooper and a plastic bag, and then come back to the poop spot, pick it all up, and then go back home. Which was like right. Hold on, watch out. Which was right there. So yeah. And a lot of you guys said that, or one of you guys said the dog that's over there that was like banging on the gate, or like he was about to knock down the gate, was a pit bull. But I thought it was a German Shepherd. I don't know. But yeah, we're walking him right now, and we're moving more stuff inside our new house. We're just waiting on the mattresses and the bed frame or something like that. Oops. And sorry if the recording is bad. It's on my iPhone. But for my birthday, I'm going to ask for a camera so I could ask my mom if I could have her camera so I could vlog for you guys or record stuff for you guys. And I need to look up on YouTube how to record computer screens and iPhone screens, or any screen in general. So yeah, we're taking the same route, but a different way. Yes, we didn't come here last time. We didn't come here first last time. But yeah, this is like we're on the route on like where the last, or we're on the last, like where the, I don't know, I can't explain it. But yeah. Really? He just made poop. Good thing I got the poop scooper. Hey, sorry. Get away. Now pick up your poop, man. Yeah, pick up your poop. If dogs had hands or thumbs, they could pick up their own poop.
Hurry up.
Ew, it's warm.
Hi.
Dad picked up the whole thing. That's weird. Get inside. Did it go inside? If you guys were here, it smells stink. Like, if you have a dog and you have to clean up their poop, it smells stink.
Yes.
Comment down below
Well, I'm only
if you have a dog, and also what type of dog is it.
my head really hurts.
Well, people who watch though. Can you open the bag?
Jeez, the dog.
Get inside. There we go. It flopped inside.
That's
Oh
a
my gosh.
peanut.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It is.
Oh my gosh.
I can't see stuff if the light isn't even on the freaking poop.
Well, maybe you should stop vlogging for YouTube and start paying attention.
I am paying attention
Yeah, to yourself.
to the smell.
To yourself.
Is it out?
Pay attention to
Yes, it's
yourself.
out. Nah, that's a piece of poop. It just will just go away. But this poop scooper stinks now. Man, did you step in any poop? Nope. No, I'm good. No poop for me, son. Oh, you scared me, boy. Oh, I thought that was my dog. Keep going. Okay. Yeah, my sister's talking on the phone, and it's drizzling. That's why I'm trying to wipe my screen. Hold on. Okay, it's clean or wiped. Oh, there's stuff in the poop. No, no, I'm good. Did we come this way? We didn't come this way. This is the way that you didn't want to go last time. Huh? What's that? You see that? Sticker. Hold on. I don't know. I might be seeing stuff. I don't know. I saw like a white dot or like a light on my iPhone. I have to turn left because this is the one to our garage. Bro, if a killer clown comes, I'll make him smell this poop scooper. What was that? Okay. See, like that house right there. That house, they set up lights for Halloween, but we don't want to. I mean, I want to, but I just don't want to do all the work, man. That's cool though. They have like ghosts, like on the side, the like lights, like white ghosts on the bottom, and then red and colorful ghosts on the top, and jack-o'-lantern and a scary, not really scary ghost. It's a ghost. Say hi to YouTube, man. Okay. Okay, how about his friend? Maybe his friend will say hi to YouTube. Hey, say hi to YouTube. Nah, they don't speak. They're mean to me. Don't be peeing. I love pooping. Go straight. He peed this time. That's good. No poop. Okay, he's just smelling. I thought he's up to poop. Also, comment down below how's you guys' day and other stuff if you guys want to. Oh, lighting, good sign. Nah, okay. If I know how to edit, I will edit that part out. Gosh. Boom, boom. I thought I would get him. Didn't work. Don't poop, okay? Let's go find other houses that have the light up. Okay. Light it up, light it up. Say hi to YouTube, bully. No? Okay. Mean dog. But yeah. Oh, comment down below with the if you have a dog and other stuff that I said in this video. Comment down below what you guys are gonna do for Halloween, and if you guys are doing something for Halloween, comment down below what are you gonna be for Halloween. Okay, we're going the other way for. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be like, I don't know. I wanted to dress up as a clown, but my mom said no. So I don't know what I want to be. I might want to be like that sumo guy, like that sumo suit thingy. That's my second choice. Go around and then go back into the garage. Yeah. Like it up. But that's cool though. If there's only squirrels here, I'd just be like, squirrel! Okay. Except on a nut. Any more houses with lights or stuff? Ouch. On don't, that's not hard. Cockroach. No, roach. Oh, I might do a pen tapping tutorial or video soon. So keep an eye out for that. And she has the light, and I can't use my light because the iPhone light. See, I think I might be seeing stuff. It's like, never mind. Oh, never mind. It's just the glare of the stuff. The glare of the light shining on my phone. That's weird. You guys might be able to see it in the video too. Just the light. That isn't like creepy at all. And I can't show you guys. Don't want to get banned from YouTube. It's like, this is our house. I'm not gonna show you guys the address because you guys might come to my house and stalk me. No, okay. But I'm still not gonna show you my address, dude. Address. Started addressing. Puns. Today's gonna be a punny day. Sorry. Too cringy. Gee, get off my slipper. Gosh. Sit. Oh, never mind. I was gonna ask you guys a question. But, nah. Better not be pooping. Huh? Open it up. He's smelling something. Let's go check it out. Never mind, he's coming back. I need a haircut. Look how long this is. Somebody at my school told me I was gonna be the next. I look like the next Justin Bieber, like his hairstyle, but not dirty blonde. Jeez, stop blinding my viewers, fam. Ew, not kidding. Nothing. Like this house right there across the street. When I turn the corner, there's this giant spider, and there's a dog over there which I have to let go. I want to show you this spider. I just have to wait for that car to pass. Spider. I don't think you guys can see it because keep walking. Don't mind the dog. I don't think you guys can see it because it didn't focus. Hold on. Okay, I think, yeah, I have to get like closer, but I have arachnophobia. I fear spiders. Can you get away, please? Thank you. I'm trying to get the thingy to go away. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm almost at my house already, or the garage of my house. But yeah, if you guys like this video, hit the like button down below. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.